Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 13th, 2019, and I'm going to be showing you today how I feed my onion seedlings. Now, these were already trimmed, and I have the video on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out on there if you want to see how to trim your onion seedlings. You can see how much thicker it actually made the plants, and I'll show you these over here. There's more of them over here. Now some of these got trimmed again, and when they start looking a little tall to me, I just go ahead and trim them again. Now I never trim below that Y, so that's one thing I don't do. And I have more onion seedlings growing elsewhere. Some of these I'm still waiting for them to come up. If they don't come up soon, I'm just going to reseed them. And we eat a lot of onions, so I'm going to be needing a lot of onion plants. So I'm going to show you here how to feed them. We'll be right back. So these are the countrywide hybrid onions here, and there's two different ways you can feed these. I'm going to be using the same method that I've been using for years to feed these, but you can feed these with an organic plant food called Sea Magic. I'll have a link down in the description for that. It does work on vegetables, but I fed my onion seedlings for years with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. I made sure my soil was nice and moist before I even fed my seedlings because I don't want to burn the root systems on them. And I took my container here that I use to water my onions with, and I put the Miracle-Gro solution in here, the 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to a gallon of water, and I put my mixed up solution in here. I'm letting it soak this up from the bottom, and it is already done, and it's ready to come out. So these here got fed, and I'm going to let it drain off a little bit. And I'm just going to go through and do that with the rest of these then. And I'm going to feed them once a week. And I don't feed dry plants because I don't want to burn the root systems on them. So just make sure your seed starting mix is nice and moist before you go ahead and feed them. Now, as these do get bigger, you can water them from the top for your food. I do recommend, though, that you do have something underneath for when the plant food runs out. And that's how I feed my onion seedlings. Now I will feed these once a week with the solution, and as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos and I will show them to you. So you can see here, these are the Walla Wallas under here, some of them, and I do have some onion seedlings elsewhere. I'm not sure where the red onions are. I know they're under here, but I'm not sure which one they are right now. I can't see the tag. But the, I believe it's the Elisa Craig, they did come up for me. Those onions are supposed to get over 5 pounds. So, I'm really excited to be trying those this year. And we're also going to be trying the yellow of, I believe it's called Parma. So that's going to be a new onion for us this year too. That's supposed to be an old Italian heirloom. That's a long keeper. So hopefully that does well in storage for us. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter and get updates on how plants are doing and different videos that are coming up. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.